Hello there, this is Liro from Howuku. In this video, you will learn what is section recordings and how section recordings can help your business grow faster. Section recording is a great tool to complement your traditional analytics. I'm sure Google Analytics tells you numbers about traffic and conversion, and that's great. But when your number shows great traffic with low conversion, you probably have no idea what has gone wrong or where to start optimizing. Now, imagine you have a CCTV installed on your website. This CCTV helps you screen recording all your website visitors' movement, including how they move their mouse, where they click, and how they scroll and navigate your website. You are now able to replay all this section recording and watch what your visitors are actually experiencing through their eyes. It gives you a full view of your visitors' entire journey in a visually pleasing format, just like watching a YouTube video like what you are doing right now. You can also help your team or clients visualize the roadblocks that are actually causing the low conversions on your website and share these recordings to your team to focus on improving what truly matters to your visitors. Howuku section recordings automatically detect rich clicks, which indicates frustration on your website. Share this recording to your dev team to help them visualize the bugs and fix this obvious issue to help your entire business move fast. A huge benefit of using Howuku is that it is both a simple web analytics and conversion optimization platform, so you can always contribute your section recordings data to an individual visitor profile to enhance your user experience. Section recordings, when combined with traditional analytics, helps you to go from lead to conversions fast. So get started today with Howuku free trial plan.